A little pump like this I could just make and put it above our sump pit. Doesn't even have to be underwater. And I could just put a little float in the water as a switch up high. And if that float raises, a switch lets an Arduino know, hey, your sump pit's about to overflow. And that will then send a signal to this pump to start pumping. And this pump could just have a hose running into the sump pit. And if it sees that, this pump will kick on and start pumping, and it will pump up and over and splice into the pipe leading out to the outdoors where it pumps into the yard. And so this could be then a great way to make an emergency backup pump system. I think emergency backup pump systems for basements, systems like Aquanaut or Watchdog, cost like $5,000. I could make one with Arduino and a homemade pump made in a homemade foundry with just one motor and a couple gears and a little housing. I could make it for like $5 instead of 5,000 or 3,000 or whatever. $5 and I can make an emergency backup pump system. So there we go. I'm going to do that too.